If you work with ideas, systems, plans, or processes of any kind, most of your best work probably starts in meetings. Whether you're a consultant, a software architect, a product manager, or really anyone that has to plan how something should work, you've probably had to turn those conversations into diagrams. Instead of starting from a blank canvas, Mermaid AI lets you start from how work actually happens through conversations. I'm going to paste a few different meeting transcripts into Mermaid AI and let it visualize them no matter what the meetings were about. The first example is a transcript taken from a fake but realistic API architecture planning meeting. This could be a team of engineers, a software architect walking through a system, or anyone designing how an application should behave. I'm just going to paste the transcript into here. You can copy and paste any transcripts that you have, or if you have them in file format, you can upload those files as well. You can see there's no diagram here yet, just people describing gateways, authentication, caching, and so on. Now that we have our transcripts in here, I'm just going to tell Mermaid AI to visualize this for me, and let's generate. And like that, we have our diagram in just a few seconds. And so Mermaid AI has taken our entire transcript and compiled it into this visual that's also interactable. And you can see the API gateway, JWT authentication, Redis caching, and even what happens when something fails. We didn't have to do any manual diagramming, and we didn't have to rebuild the system from memory. Now let's look at something that's completely different. The next transcript is a roadmap planning meeting. This could be product work, internal planning, startup strategy, or whatever you're trying to ship next. People are talking about priorities, timelines, dependencies, and what happens if something slips. Let's generate a diagram. And now all of that discussion is visual. You can see what needs to happen first, what depends on what, and how delays cascade. This works just as well for features, projects, initiatives, whatever you're planning. All right, last one. This final example is a discovery or requirements gathering call. It could be a client call, an internal stakeholder meeting, or any conversation where you're trying to figure out what actually needs to be built. Notice how much of this is conditional. If this, then that, and so on. Let's see what Mermaid AI does with it. Now we have a decision flow. Different user types, different paths, approvals, and outcomes, all pulled directly from the conversation. This is incredibly useful anytime requirements live in people's heads instead of documentation. These were three very different meetings: architecture planning, roadmap discussions, and requirements discovery, but the idea is the same. If you can explain something out loud, Mermaid AI can help turn it into a diagram. If your work starts with conversations, transcripts, or notes, try dropping them into Mermaid AI and see what it creates. And thanks for watching.